Construction 3D printing is here and it's here to stay, and I for one couldn't be more excited. Hi, I'm Frank, lead designer with 3D PHC. In the past couple of years, we have seen some interesting changes begin to affect ourselves and, of course, those around us as well. Some of us have had the chance to stop, take a deep breath, and look around long enough to see some amazing things are happening. New technologies are breeding whole new industries. We invent better ways to meet the unique challenges we've been facing, and we have never been more connected. We're reminded that we must let go of greed and do our best to lift up the least of us, because history has shown that doing so makes us all strong. That's why we're so excited to officially roll out our 3D PHC Early Adopter Program. Finally, you have the opportunity to turn the lock on your own 3D printed home, and in a way that minimizes risk while maximizing value. Do you see 3D construction as one solution to rising construction costs? Do you love the freedom and aesthetics that parametric design can offer? Maybe you're the kind of person who always wants to be among the first, to experience the best, newest, and most fascinating technologies. If you're smiling right now and answered yes to any of these questions, you might be an early adopter. Read on below this video to find out how you can be one of the first Canadians in your area to have your very own 3D PHC printed home.